the Honorable Minister of Foreign Affairs of Pakistan, Mr. Shah Mahmood Qureshi, for his remarks. Minister of Foreign Affairs of Pakistan, ladies and gentlemen.
Prime Ministers, Ministers of the Cabinet, participants of the first Pakistan-Sri Lanka Trade and Investment Conference, thank you. Thank you for participating in this first conference. I recall a year ago, we held a similar conference in collaboration with the Ministry of Commerce in Nairobi, Africa, in line with our Engage Africa policy, and it led to 7% growth in our bilateral trade in 1 year. So the potential, as the advisor of commerce was saying, is there. The FTA is there. We have to look at how to improve upon it, how to include new sectors into it to draw maximum benefit from it. When Prime Minister Imran Khan took the reins of government, all our economic indicators were pointing in the wrong direction. In 2.5 years, we have achieved, to a large extent, economic stability. And now, the Prime Minister is directing us to focus on growth, and that can only come through investments and enhanced bilateral trade. Pakistan has moved up a number of ranks in the ease of doing business. Prime Minister's government is facilitating investments in Pakistan. Incentives have been given to a number of sectors, particularly real estate and housing sector. Our focus has shifted from geopolitics to geoeconomics. We feel that Pakistan is geographically so located that we can take advantage of our geographical location. And we want to make Pakistan into a hub for economic activity. Transshipment, it's possible, it's doable. And our focus is peace, development, connectivity. CPAC is one example of that project that links regions and provides that regional economic connectivity that promotes trade, that promotes investment. The Foreign Office is there to assist, to facilitate, and the focus of the Foreign Office under the directions of the Prime Minister Imran Khan is economic diplomacy. Ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to come to Pakistan, and you will see how hospitable Pakistan will be for you. Thank you.
Thank you, Excellency.